Good morning, everybody. Scott Kidd here. Just we made it to San Diego. We're all tucked in here, getting ready to do a whole bunch of maintenance and stuff. Got quite a bit of work to do. Head down to Mexico end of the month. Also, webinars tonight for the Oklahoma property. Hope to see you guys there. If you want to go over more detail, please feel free to reach out, or if you want to know more about what we're doing. Glad to help out. Glad to let you guys know what we're doing. Also, just always, as always, if anybody needs anything, please let me know. Glad to help. Hope you guys have a great day. Looks to be another beautiful day here in San Diego. Talk to you guys tomorrow.